special tools custom built to produce a particular sheet metal component. Example, automobile parts, sheet metal parts of electrical equipments, etc. Types of press tools: simple tool, compound tool, combination tool, bending tool, drawing tool, progressive tool. Simple tool. This tool is designed to perform piercing and blanking operation. Compound tool. Blanking and piercing operation performed in a single stroke. Combination tool. The cutting and forming operation are combined and carried out in single stroke. Bending tool. This tool is used to bend the component in specified shape, that is V bend tool, U bend tool. Drawing tool. Drawing is a process of axial elongation through application of axial force. Progressive tool. The workpiece moves from one station to another with separate operations being performed at each station. Types of press operations. There are two types of operations: cutting operations, non-cutting operations. Types of cutting operations: piercing, blanking, notching, lancing, parting off, cut off, cropping, perforating, nibbling, lowering, trimming, and shaving. Piercing. Holes are cut on the sheet metal. Blanking. The cutting action must be about a complete or enclosed contour. Notching. It is an operation for removing a piece of scrap from the edge. Lancing. Three-side cutting and one-side bending operation. Parting off. Cut off the material between two components to separate it from parent material. Cut off. The cutting action must be along a line. Cropping. Cutting operation to control the strip movement. Perforating. Maximum number of holes are pierced in single stroke. Nibbling. To cut out the sheet to size with help of punching. Lowering. Three side forming and one side cutting operation. Trimming. To cut excess material which is left out on the flange of the drawn component. Shaving. To give finish cut to the blanks and pierced holes. Types of non-cutting operation: bending, drawing, embossing, coining, hemming, seaming, curling, bulging. Bending. To bend the sheet at specified angle. Drawing. It is the process of changing flat pre-cut metal blank into hollow vessel. Embossing. Shallow forming operation at equal thickness. Coining. It is operation of making impression and depression on sheet metal. Bulging. It expands the cup along a narrow band and at the same time reduce the height. Hemming. To join the two sheets. Seaming. It is the operation of pushing the material inside or outside all around the periphery. Curling. It is the operation of turn the edge inside. Types of presses. According to shape: C frame, H frame. According to table D position: inclinable, non-inclinable. According to stroke: fixed stroke, variable stroke. Types of presses. According to number of slides: single action, double action, triple action. According to type of drive: geared, non-geared, knuckle joint, friction joint. According to actuation: mechanical, hydraulic. Types of presses. According to type of operation: trimming, drawing, bending, embossing, etc. According to shape: C frame. H frame. According to number of slides: single action, double action, triple action. According to type of drive: cranked type, knuckle type, screw type. according to method of actuation. Hydraulic, strip layout, strip layout calculation, economy factor. Economy factor is equal to area of blank into number of rows upon width of strip into pitch multiplied by 100. Types of strip layout: single row 1 pass, single row 2 pass, gang strip layout. Single row 1 pass, wide run, narrow run. Single row 2 pass, gang strip layout. Strip materials. There are two types of materials used: non-ferrous materials, ferrous materials. Non-ferrous materials. First, aluminium 99.8%, aluminium, magnesium 4.5%, manganese 1%, copper 0.1%. Aluminium bronze, copper 95%, aluminium 5%. Common brass, copper 63%, zinc 37%. Fifth, cartridge brass, copper 70%, zinc 30%. Magnesium 99%, copper 100%. Copro nickel, copper 80%, nickel 20%. Ferrous materials. First, mild steel, low carbon steel, 0.4% carbon steel, spring steel,